Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi kids, how are you doing? I hope all you are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm totally perfect. So welcome to your another video. So in this video we are going to learn the phonics sounds of 30 letters. We know we have 26 letters in English alphabet, but in this video we are going to learn 30 letters, okay? So A to M. So let's get started. Okay, first letter is A. So A, এটা phonics soundটা কিভাবে হবে? So phonics soundটা হবে A. Apple. A. সবাই আমার সাথে সাথে বলো, okay? Repeat after me. A. Apple. A. Apple. Then next letter is B. Okay? B. Ball. Remember the ball. 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 Again. B. Ball. And then next letter is C. Next letter is C. C for example হবে cat. Cat. And then next letter is D. Remember the drum, okay? Drum. Drum. Okay, the next letter is E. E for sound হবে elephant. Elephant. Okay, the next letter is F. Next letter is F. Fan. Okay? Fan. আমরা যে বাতাসটা দিই না, সাউন্ডটা কিন্তু ঠিক সেরকম হবে। Fan. And then next letter is G. Is G. Gorilla. Or you can say glasses. Okay. The next letter is H. Next letter is H. H এর phonics soundটা কি হবে? Head. Or you can hands. So এটার phonics soundটা হবে hands. Okay. The next letter is I. So এটার phonics soundটা হবে E. Igloo. I is for eagle. Eagle. The next letter is J. So J is for jug. Or you can say J is for jelly. Jelly. এটা phonics soundটা কিরকম হবে? Jelly. And then next letter is K. K is for king. King. Phonics sound like king. The next letter is L. L is for lion. Lion. So, or you can say light. Okay? Light. And then next letter is M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. Or you can say M is for mango. Our phonics sound হবে is for monkey. Okay, so that's all for today. See you later. Till then, Allah Hafiz.